Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Well, good morning. Starting off this weekend on a pretty nice note with lots of sunshine across the area. Some pretty warm temperatures for this morning, starting off a few degrees above normal. Checking in at Marion, 61 degrees there. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies and spots. A little bit of fog as well this morning. Humidity pretty high as well, feeling like 61, dew point of 60. That temperature 61 degrees. It's going to be a hazy, hot, and humid afternoon. As you can already see some of that haze from our new camera on Holston Mountain, elevation around 4,400 feet. Check out the view there of the mountains from Holston Mountain. This sits right to the south of South Holston Lake, so we can see the lake perfectly. We can see lots of other things pretty nicely on this camera. And we can also see some great weather when it rolls in as well. 63 degrees right now in Bristol, the same in Kingsport, Johnson City, 65 in Abingdon, 64 in Wise, and we already mentioned around 63 now in Marion. The temperature is updated recently. Low level on our severe threat tracker for Saturday and Sunday. No weather worries for today, but into Monday we will be watching a few scattered showers and storms heading our way. Some could be on the strong to severe side, but we'll get more into that in just a minute. Now this morning we had what's kind of an interesting weather feature here. Notice we had a little bit of green showing up here and still have a little bit showing up in portions of Lebanon. This is what we call ground clutter. It's actually not raining in these spots, but every once in a while you may see some of this green there on radar. You never see that on a nice sunny day like today. No, it's not rain. No, it's just ground clutter instead. The cold front has sagged to our south, so our rain chances are relatively low today with the dry air, hazy, hot, and humid conditions across our area. But we can't rule out one or two stray showers or storms as we go through the afternoon. Best shot will probably be in the higher elevations in areas east of the Tri-Cities. Can't rule out a few stray ones sneaking into Abingdon or even Mountain City, Bristol later tonight into the evening hours. But for the most part for today, I think we stay relatively dry. I think we stay relatively warm as well, with temperatures warming up into the upper 80s as we head later in the afternoon, topping off near 90 this afternoon. So if you're heading out to some of the events going on today, including maybe the events at Muddy Creek Raceway, temperatures there upper 80s, near 90, mostly sunny skies. Bring the sunscreen because you're going to need it this afternoon if you head out to that event. Now across the region this afternoon, hazy, hot, and humid as I mentioned. Temperatures warming up to near 90 for most of northeast Tennessee, 90 for Bristol, 91 in Johnson City, 90 in Kingsport, some upper 80s across portions of Russell County, and 89 for Abingdon this afternoon. As we go a little bit further towards the south and east, checking out 88 for Mountain City, 80 in Boone, around 91 for Elizabethton. How about 86 in Norton, 87 in Clintwood, 90 in Grundy, and a few lower 90s across portions of southeast Kentucky. Tonight we drop down generally into the middle 60s, 65 degrees, 64 degrees across the region. A few upper 60s not out of the question across portions of northeast Tennessee. But notice as we go into the day Monday, here's that chance for thunderstorms I mentioned. Cold front starts to approach the area. Get a little bit more moisture flow ahead of that. That helps spark off some showers and storms as the front moves through. But into Tuesday, we start to dry out a little bit and some nicer weather returns. So the best day coming up, I think, are probably going to be the 2 weekend days. Then we got to look ahead to Monday with a chance for some scattered showers and storms there in the forecast. We are in what we call the marginal risk for severe weather, which means there could be one or two scattered strong to severe storms across the area. Not really looking like a widespread thing at this time, but we'll keep you updated as we go through the next couple of days and alert you to any severe weather danger that happens to move into our area. Otherwise, temperatures upper 80s, some lower 90s. Later in the week, another hot and humid summer-like pattern setting up across the area with a few storms possible late week as well.
It's hot out there, but you kind of expect it for summer.
I know. I really need to come up with a different word except for hot, because we're going to be saying that a lot, I feel like, over the next couple of weeks, months. So, hey, if you've got an idea, something other than hot, let me know.
We'll come up with our own word.
We will.
We can use it exclusively on the morning show.
Okay. My brain doesn't work this well this morning, but we'll come up with something, all right?
Sounds good.